Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am just going to make really quick lunch because last night we had a salad, and that salad, guys, I thought Chris is not going to like it because of the noodles that is cold. Oh my goodness, I made the mistake saying that. He ate almost the whole platter. He ate the salad, not the platter. he ate most of it, really. And so we do not have lunch for today. So I am going to make this egg salad. I'm just going to make egg salad, so it is a light lunch, but I don't know if bread is a light lunch. I have bread, onion. Yeah, I forgot if I mentioned that I'm making egg salad. Egg salad sandwich, that is for our lunch. Hopefully 2 eggs are enough. So your egg salad, guys, you can actually make it, different ways. So this is my version, and I am putting pepper jack cheese. So it's up to you what you want to put on your egg salad sandwich. I was gonna put some ground black pepper, but I forgot this cheese is already spicy enough. For me, that is. For Chris, I'm sure it's not. But I'm not putting any more black pepper. And I'm not going to do the last piece here because I'm scared that I'm gonna get sliced from the grater. And then I have cream cheese. Love, love, love my cream cheese. Then mayo. And then paprika. Sweet pickle relish. A little bit of salt. Make sure that if you're going to do this recipe, put your cream cheese out like 15-20 minutes before you start it, so it's easy to mix. Make sure to mix well. And I am using sourdough bread, and for our sourdough bread I am going to toast it. I'm going to put butter, our Irish butter. This butter is really good. Lots of butter. So I'll just do it like this. Then I'm just going to toast both sides, guys. Okay, now it's toasted on both sides. Oh, this one is not toasted yet. I didn't put any more butter, guys. Only one side that has butter. Why is this one taking so long to toast? I don't know. Look at that. The one that has butter, it got toasted nicely than the one without. Okay, let's assemble our bread or sandwich. So guys, I tasted the egg salad and it's so good, but it's missing some ingredients. A little bit of sugar to bring out all the flavor of all the ingredients in there. Man, it's so good. I wanna try it again if that sugar did something magic to the salad, to the egg salad. Yeah, that's what it's missing when I tasted it. So good. Okay, half is Chris, half is mine. So that's Chris. He's got more than mine. Which one is prettier? This side. Then press it down. And I'm going to cut it in the middle. I like using sourdough bread with this kind of sandwich, guys, because sourdough is a strong bread. It won't fall apart. So if you're making egg salad, use sourdough bread so it doesn't fall apart when you cut it. I can't wait to taste it. And here's our plate, and we are pairing it with pickle. We'll plate it nicely. Nice. And I'm going to pour my drink. This is just my sparkling strawberry. Look how beautiful. Toast, guys. Let me try it. Delish. Here's our lunch, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're going to enjoy our lunch now. Bye for now.